Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what is the FreshBooks paid subscription pricing? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, and rather than just showing you how much I pay for my FreshBooks, I'm going to show you how you can find it for your particular account, because the price could change depending on which region and what services you're going to be using. But why would you want to know the FreshBooks paid subscription price anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking invoices and customer expenses are really important, and FreshBooks is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already logged in, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to check the FreshBooks paid subscription pricing, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on billing and upgrade. Okay, so from time to time, FreshBooks does run a promotion. So right now they're doing 50% off for 6 months. I'll try to leave my referral link in the video description so that way you can see what the most recent discount is. Now, the first thing you want to know is it depends on how you're going to pay. Are you going to pay monthly or yearly? There is a 10% discount if you pay yearly. So if you are certain that you're going to use FreshBooks for the year, you definitely want to sign up for the yearly plan. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, depending on what services and how many clients you're going to be servicing, that is going to change the price. So for example, on the monthly light plan, if you have up to 5 clients, that's going to be $19 per month. However, if you have up to 50 clients, it jumps to the Plus program, and the Plus program is $33 per month. And lastly, if you need unlimited clients, so if you have more than 50, you would need to sign up for the premium plan, which is going to be $60 per month. Now, there are various services that are included in the premium that are not included in the light. And if you scroll down, it's going to list off all of those features. So for the premium plan, if you're going to pay for the whole year, month by month, it's going to work out to $720 or so. But if you click right here on yearly, you can see that drops it down to $468 for the first year. So that includes 50% off for the first month and then 10% off of the yearly price. And same thing with the light plan, it's going to be $148.20 for the year. And that includes this discount and then also the 10% off yearly discount. But generally it's going to be $228 for the year. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the FreshBooks paid subscription pricing is, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.